Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with yet another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well. To whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey to 10,000 subscribers, and we're about 5.9 right now. 5,900. So we got a lot of work to do. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Also, you're brand new, you're probably gonna want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that little notification bell down below, and it'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. All right, guys, today we're gonna get into painting the midsole on the white cement 4s. I did a little bit of gray already over here, but I wanted to, film it and talk to you guys about a couple of Jordans that I think need to be re-released. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. All right, guys. You see, I did the other one already. Got this painted with the white, the primer, if you want to call it that. Now I got this. I did a little gray here. See, the gray doesn't really match up here, so I gotta figure out how to make this lighter. I really don't know how to. I believe this is the 2012 gray cement, because this is the Angelus paint that I'm using. Collector's edition. It says white cement gray 4. So yeah, let's continue with this. But also, guys, I'm here to talk to you about some shoes that really need to be re-released. All right, first off, we are going to start off with the, well, let's get this paint out. Do a little, couple of oops, almost went a little bit too much, but anyway. Guys, I think these need to definitely come back out, especially the white cement 4s. I know they just came out recently, 4 years ago, 6 years, no, 2016, so that's still a long time ago. Came out 6 years ago. No, yeah, 6 years ago, exactly. Now, I have maybe a top 5 sneakers that need to be re-released, and let me know in the comment section if you guys agree with me or not. But anyway, we're going to start off with a number 1 here. We're taking a look at these Raptor Sevens. Now, these, I don't know if they're coming back out, because a lot of 7s are actually coming out this year. I just don't know if they're coming out this year, but I do think we need a re-release of this sneaker. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, moving on to the next. All right, guys, next one that I really would love to see a re-release is the Playoff 13s. Now, I know people are not crazy about 13s, but I actually really like them. He Got Games, I got those. I actually got an original pair of the He Got Games as well. Really legendary sneaker to me, if you ask me. And these Playoffs, the all black with the little red lining on the bottom, really dope. I like it. But then again, not everyone's like me, you know what I mean? So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. All right, guys, as for this next one, I know a lot of people are definitely going to agree with me. And this is the Cherry 12. Now, these are fire. I'm going to do a little honorable mention, too, in a second. But these are fire. Now, I heard rumors about them coming out, next year. But like I said, we need a re-release of these. These are so fire, dude. What do you guys think? I don't know. A lot of 7s, a lot of 12s, a lot of 13s are very underrated, man. Let me tell you. Like the Playoff 12s. I mean, I'm one of those people that didn't even really, want them. I got them, but then I just got rid of them. You know what I mean? But I gave it to somebody for retail. It's not like I, made any profit off it or anything like that. If I could help, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna help, who I can. But yeah. Oh, that was a mistake. Well, we got this one pretty much painted up. All right. See, the bottom here has got to be white, and then it's got to be splashed with the black. So, oh, we got this right here. I almost forgot. You don't want to forget that. Alright guys, taking a look at the next shoe is going to be the Olympic Sixes, and I'm going to do this 2 pairs, the Olympic Sixes and the Olympic Sevens. We definitely need. I remember when they first dropped in 1992, that was that Barcelona, they were in Barcelona, I believe, when MJ and the Dream Team just literally dominated everybody that, you know, came against them. Basketball, man, we just don't see it like it used to be, man. But definitely we need a re-release of these Olympic Sixes and the Olympic Sevens. Also, too, I want to give a little honorable mention, but we need to see those Bugs Bunny 8s too, guys. Come on, Jordan Brand, let's get it together. Alright guys, now it's it's not done. I'm probably gonna give it another coat. But also too, I got some where did I put it? Oh, it's behind me. I got some clear coat that I'm gonna go over with too. Let's set that aside here. Well, let's set this one over here. Oh, and then we'll paint this one. Alright guys, we're back. I almost forgot to prep the tape for this for this sneaker. But anyway guys, let's get back to what I was talking about, the re-releases or the released sneakers that we need. And we're gonna start off with the, well, not start off, we're gonna continue with the Air Jordan 6 Domebecker. Now this sneaker, you cannot tell me is not super duper fire. I used to have this sneaker. I actually did a trade with somebody for I had the Ray Allen 13s, legit, yes, the green and white ones, and he gave me DB6s plus red ones and $90 just for that sneaker, believe it or not, man. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna pass on this deal. I'm actually gonna take this deal because it was, you know, why not? It was definitely a win for me, you know what I mean? But that was a long time ago, and then I actually wound up, what did I do with the DB6s? Did I sell them? I might have sold them. Or I might have got scammed for them or something. I forget what it actually was. But yeah, that sucks, especially getting scammed for your sneakers, man. That's really bad. I really hate that. And that's been done to me quite a few times, man. Alright guys, this is last, definitely not the least, but they did give us the, you know, 6s. Why can't they just give us the 11s again? Because this is in need of a retro so badly. These are actually, you know, falling apart on me. That's why I haven't actually really wore them that much, but the DMP Air Jordan 11, man. Man, I remember when Jordan 11s were just as religious as Jordan 1s are today, dude. Really crazy, dude. You know, a lot of things have changed. A lot of time, like, you know, times have changed. Sneaker, you know, people who like sneakers have grown up. They got their own tastes. We still have our OG taste, you know what I mean? But yeah. Remember guys, this is my first time actually repainting anything. I mean, I do painting in the house and whatnot, but this is my actual first time repainting midsoles on a pair of shoes. And like I said, I give massive respect to whoever does this, man, because this is definitely not for the weak of heart. But yeah, but if you prep right, like pretty much, you know, I've been doing, if you prep the sneaker correctly, you know, you won't have no problems, man. You shouldn't have any problems. Preparation, it takes a while, but it's definitely worth it, man. If you really love your shoes, you know what I mean? Which I do. And most of these people watching on my channel, I believe you guys really love your shoes too, right? But anyway, guys, please let me know in the comment section, you know, what you think should re-release, because I would truly appreciate to hear you guys, man. But this is going to be it, guys. You know, I gotta let this dry. I'm gonna give it another coat, which I will, you know, put on video, so please stay tuned for that. Also, guys, let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordans that need to re-release. What Air Jordan do you think needs to be released? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in and day out. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we out, guys. Peace.